It's time to get started on replacing our doorstep lamp assembly. Let's get started. Overall, this will be fairly simple. You can do it using a small flat blade screwdriver. We'll carefully use that small pocket screwdriver and come in between this area, gently pry at it. Once it pops down, you're going to want to pay attention to the wiring harness on this. If you were to look along where my pocket screwdriver is, you're going to find that there's a little squeeze tab. We'll gently make our way in here, push down on that tab, and remove the wiring. Give it a quick check for corrosion. Assuming it looks good, you can go ahead and set that aside. And there it is, friends. Okay, let's get ready for our installation process. We'll take our wiring and slide it into place. Listen for a click, give it a tug to make sure it's secure. Continue on to putting it into the door panel. You want to start with the bottom first. Once you have the bottom in place, complete the installation by rolling in the top. All right, go ahead and test its functionality. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.